What's up, guys? Coming at you today with a short little clip here. Gonna show you guys some new amps I got. I got some five channel kicker amps in the other day, matching kicker, the ZX 700.5s. So you can run your mids and highs, your tweets, mids, and then your bass. Same on both, same amps. I don't know the difference. They're both ZX 700.5. I'm thinking just newer and older between the two. I don't know if you guys know. Let me know in the comments. Everything's identical. It has 0 gauge power and ground. And I figured I'd show you some more. Here's 3 of my HX2s. My Rockford 1100 A2 with the bass knob here.